Welcome again to Mhelbeth's Table. Thank you so much for all my subscribers. And also, if you are new on my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and like my videos. Today, we will cook a very special dish from Italy. One of our favorite. Me and my husband always cook this all the time, and we really like this kind of pasta. We call this as sun-dried tomato pasta. Here are the ingredients. So, nag-heat up na tayo ng ating pan. Lalagyan natin siya ng a little bit of olive oil. And then, we put the meat. This is the guanciale. They call it in Italy. You can buy this in Italian store. You can use also the pancetta, or you can use bacon if you don't have. Ayan, time lang natin na medyo mag-crunchy siya. Tapos, ilalagay na natin ang ating chopped onions. So, here it is. So crunchy. It's time to put the onion. And garlic. So I have here chopped sun-dried tomatoes. I want to fry it together with the meat, the guanciale, the onion, and the garlic. Put a little bit of pasta water. Cover it for a while, about 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, this is ready. We can now put our pasta. I drained my pasta. There you go. Put a little bit of black pepper.
Round 1.
And olive oil. Then, I love to put my spinach. Mix together. Time to put my cherry tomatoes. I put this in the oven to bake. And my parsley, Italian parsley. You can watch my bruschetta recipe for you to get the recipe of this cherry tomatoes that I cook it in the oven. Wow, look at this. So yummy. I think I need more pepper, black pepper, ground black pepper. So, eto na po ang ating finished product. It's the pasta with sun-dried tomato and guanciale. And for the finale, I have here a pecorino cheese. You can use Parmesan. It's better, but I prefer this pecorino cheese. Just grate it and put it on top. There you go. Enjoy your pasta, and thank you for watching my videos.